SeaWorld invited us out to go to their Media Day event for their new ride, Penguin Trek, that opens next year. And I just have one question for you. Will I be the best dressed one there? Probably. Probably. We made it. We made it to SeaWorld, as you can see. Pipeline behind me. And going to go see what this is all about. This is only our second time at a media event, so this is going to be completely different for us. I brought her with me. Yay! So they have a scavenger hunt, and I think this is the first part of it.
Yeah, she gives us like a word.
Oh, they gave us a word. Okay. Hello, are you part of this scavenger hunt thingy?
Of course I am.
Yay!
Explorers, glad to be here to help you.
Yay!
Very good. Now, my question for you to be able to help you on your adventure is, our adventure lasts approximately 142 seconds.
Okay.
Do you know how long that is in minutes?
Let's see, so 2 minutes and 22 seconds.
You are correct, my friends.
I'm smart.
You are indeed. So our adventure lasts about approximately 2 minutes and 22 seconds.
That's a very long ride.
It is indeed. Now, the important word that I can give you to help you on your quest is the word penguin.
Okay.
Okay? Very good, my friends.
The mattress, my shirt.
You can head on inside to continue your adventure.
Thank you. I'm smart. I got the riddle, or it's not really a riddle, it's just a question, but I guess we should go this way first. I don't even know. Again, I'm new to this, but I got it. I got the word, and it's penguin. Yeah. Are you station number 2 or 3 or 4?
We're number 4.
Number 4. Okay. We went from 1 to 4. It's okay.
It's okay. You're jumping. It's okay.
Yeah.
All right. So penguins have a really special walk, right?
Mm-hmm.
Can you show me that walk? Or maybe have her do it. That way you can video it.
Yeah, there you go.
See?
Yep.
All right. So do you know what that walk is called?
A waddle?
It's a waddle. That's how they trek around. That's how they get from place to place, right? And do you know why they waddle like that?
I have no idea.
Well, that is a good. Hey, listen, that's a good answer.
Do they even have legs?
They do have legs.
Okay.
I promise they do. I mean, they're on your shirt. They have legs.
I was just gonna say.
Alright. So their bodies are made to swim. That's what they're meant to do. So that walk, that waddle, that's the best way they're gonna get around. It's kind of like if you have a hurt ankle or a hurt leg, you kind of have to waddle to get from place to place. Same thing with them. But the word you're looking for is actually gonna be trek.
Trek. Oh, look at that.
Yep, T-R-E-K.
Look at that. So we already spelled the name of the ride in the 2 things that we did.
Exactly. And now the best part. And now the best part is you have to waddle as you trek to your next spot.
Oh man, we had to pick him second.
Yep, you're welcome.
Explorers of all ages. Welcome to the frosty wonderland that is SeaWorld Orlando's Penguin Trek Preview Party.
We're in line to see the penguin. He's adorable, and he matches my shirt too. Like I thought, I'm the most well-dressed person here today, since I match it. It's actually still kind of surreal to be here doing these things. Like, who would have guessed I would have been able to make it to media events? This is still crazy. And that's still part of the trek. And that's awesome too. It's the penguin. Yay! Hello! You're on my shirt. Yay! Exactly. I was like, oh, I have the perfect shirt for this. Yay! Now, do you think they've ruined this carpet by having all this water and snow on here? I think they might be putting new carpet on here soon. But it's still cool. So that was fun. And they gave me these cute little cups that say Penguin Trek on it. And wait, hold on. Hold this for a second. It's a carabiner. How awesome is that? I've never seen a cup that's a carabiner. So I'm gonna guess it's like when they do their trekking in the snow, and they have to put it like on their backpacks for like hot chocolate and things like that. But yeah, that's fun. Now, since we're here, we have to go ride some roller coasters, right? I mean, we cannot be so close to these things and not ride them. So let's go ride some. I think Pipeline is still open, and she has not got to ride it yet. So we're gonna go see if that's still open or not. It looks like it's open. We made it to Pipeline. Our first time riding it. Oh, yeah. Are you ready?
Yes. Ready to fall for me?
I just hear you going. Whoa, whoa. So how was it?
Different. Good, but different.
Good, but different. My crotch still hurts there. Okay, as a woman, how does your crotch feel?
Fine.
Okay. Women's crotches feel good. Oh, I'm sorry, fine after riding that. We're trying to hurry up and be able to go on Icebreaker because we've never been on that either. So 2 rides in one day that she hasn't been able to ride before. We're gonna go do it. Hopefully, we still have 4 more minutes to get over there. We made it in. We're gonna be able to ride it. That's gonna be fun. I have not rode this ride either, and she hasn't rode the last ride or this ride. Yay! That's why the seatbelt. Okay, we did it. How do you feel?
Still alive, that's how I feel.
That hurt my stomach going over the humps. It was fun and exciting and exhilarating. Are you gonna do it again?
It's a one and done for me. So how'd you like that ride? Not my favorite.
Well, why not? Speechless. She's speechless. I think that's her favorite ride. She's speechless. So Penguin Trek is going to be right here where the penguin exhibit is right now, the Emperor of the Penguin. And right behind me, right there, is where it's going to be located, where it goes outside. So let's go take a look. So Penguin Trek will have 2 launches. It's going to be 3,020 feet long. It's going to be, what'd she say, 2 minutes and 22 seconds long. And it's going to go inside and outside. And then you have to be 42 inches to ride the ride. So that's it from SeaWorld. I hope you guys enjoyed the thing. If you did, make sure to subscribe and like and comment. What's your favorite ride at SeaWorld now? And are you excited about Penguin Trek coming in 2024 in spring? We will see you guys later. Remember to love yourselves and each other. Bye-bye.